let's take a look at how you can utilize caching algorithms in Open-E JovianDSS. The first level of caching uses RAM to cache both read and write operations. On top of that, there is an option to extend the cache with the second level. In such a case, ZFS allows us to add additional caching layers that will help us with the performance of your storage. The additional write lock is an additional disk or disks that will allow you to retain RAM cache data not yet written to your storage, in case of a total server failure like power outage. It is important to use write-intensive disks here that are faster than disks used in our main storage, as they will sustain a lot of write operations and will be read only in case of a failure. The additional read cache is an extension of the first layer RAM cache. While RAM stores data that is hot, meaning that it is accessed all the time, the read cache stores warm data that is accessed often, but not as frequently as hot data. It is important to use a very fast disk for it, like NVMe drives, that would far outperform your main storage disks. Once again, a simple rule of thumb. For the second level, use disks that are faster than those in the Z pool. For example, if your Z pool uses HDDs, you need at least SSDs for the All2Arc and ZIL. If your Z pool uses SSDs, use NVMEs.
To stay up to date with the latest additions, follow our blog and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with managing your data storage.